What is up, hearties, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make almond milk. Yes, look at that, rich and creamy, delicious goodness. So you're going to need vanilla extract. This is optional, you don't have to use it, but I love to use just a little bit. You're gonna need honey, and you're going to need almond butter. So if you get like an organic almond butter, naturally it separates. So you just want to go ahead and mix it up first. And then you want to use 1/4 of a cup of almond butter. I like mine to taste rich and creamy and have that nice nutty almond flavor. So 1/4 of a cup is good enough. Then I just add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. And then I go ahead and add 12 ounces of water and 1 teaspoon of honey also. And you could add more water if you want it to be a little watery. You could add more water, but I like mine rich and creamy. And then you just go ahead and you blend that up. You don't have to strain it on nothing. Like, what do you need to strain it for? You don't have to strain it on nothing. Just drink it as is. You could add it in your cereal, you could use it for your smoothies, you could drink it just so, and it's absolutely delicious, okay? And it's made from your hands, and your kids will love it. My kids absolutely love it. Look at this goodness. Oh, it's so good. Definitely give this a try. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give me a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed, go ahead and click that subscribe button. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.